Alright guys, today we're going over to my buddy's house and we're going to help him work on his Dodge Dakota. We're putting drop spindles on the front. I think he said it's going to drop it 2 inches. He got new ball joints, upper and lower, and new tie rod ends. And we're doing it in my other buddy's garage because it's warm, because it's super cold out right now. It's like 32 or 34 degrees. So yeah, I'm gonna bring you guys along. So I'm gonna introduce my friend Thomas's cars. First car we got is his, I think it's a 1970 Nova. He's got a small block Chevy in it with a 4.9-inch rear end and a 4-speed manual transmission. I think it's sweet. It's pretty fast too. He's got a 71 C10. It's also got a small block Chevy in it with an automatic 4-speed. I think it's a turbo 350 maybe. My car, Subaru Impreza, which he also has one over there, but he actually lifted his. He put Forester XT struts on it, and as you can tell, he's been beating the crap out of it and mudding it. Actually, I kind of convinced him to buy one after I got mine. I've had mine for almost 5 years. We'll go more in depth on his cars in another video because he's got a lot to say about them. He's got a lot done to them. So this is my buddy's truck that we're doing the drop spindles in the front. What do you got to say? What are you doing, cooking bacon?
Oh yeah, trying not to burn this round.
Dang, you got the rig set up.
It's stainless.
What you got there, Failer?
Got the road fab Chevy notcher to match with this unit. Don't look like much unless you know what it is.
Alright, what's going on over here?
Outside's done. That cotter pin was stuck in there. Drilled it halfway out.
Cotter pin was stuck in that.
Yup. Drilled it halfway out. Got that in there. Knocked it out. We're through.
Nice. So now we gotta knock that off. Then we gotta start attacking the upper and lower ball joints. Probably not gonna be able to see that one.
And then we're soaking.
But yeah, we got them soaking with WD-40. And yeah, they're kind of rusty, but I think we got it. Just like that. Alright guys, so we got the old spindles out. The new spindles right here. But we kind of ran into a predicament. These upper ball joints are threaded into the upper control arm, or upper A arm. And we don't have the tool to get it out. So we're kind of stuck. We could get the other side out, but honestly we're kind of at a stopping point, so we're just gonna call it a night for right now and figure it out tomorrow. So I missed out on all the fun. My friend Dylan and Thomas finished his truck, or putting the drop spindles on. Where I left off, we were in the process of getting the upper ball joints off, and we found out they were threaded on, and I think they rented a tool to get him off. And his truck's done. I just showed back up to their house. This is the next day, and it's like kind of late at night. I was just coming to hang out. So here's his truck. You can definitely tell it's way lower in the front. There's probably like a, what, 1.5 2 inch gap right there. Then the back is still a little bit taller at like maybe 3 inches. Crawl up under here. Them spindles are definitely new. New ball joints, upper and lower. Yeah, it's all done. Sucks I kind of missed out on half the work. But I'm gonna go in and see what they have to say. So I ended up leaving his house fairly quickly. Kind of had a bad headache. There wasn't much really going on. We did ride around in his truck. Seems like it handles a lot better. Corners a lot better. The ride's like a lot more firm. I think he's gonna need an alignment though, because it's kind of pulling to one way. But on that note, I think I'm gonna end the video here. Yeah, I'm just gonna post what I got. I'll see you guys.